I really love service. It's really fascinating to me that you can turn someone's day around so quickly, just with a gesture, an element of kindness, sating them with food and wine. And it was one of the things that really held my family together. My parents worked all the time, so we went to restaurants rather than them having the time to cook and get dinner on the table. So that sense of energy and community that can happen within a dinner table is really important to me. You can really see that you can change someone's demeanor or just their outlook on the day, and hopefully that can change, maybe in some fashion, their outlook on life, to just be a little bit happier and to really have a larger sense of community. And service can do that. It's really fast paced. It makes the day just worthwhile to me. I don't know why. I think there's just that element of connection that's really easy to have with guests, that just keeps things more humane.